So on November 21st, we will begin the release of the Air Jordan 13 wheats. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a full review and on feet over these clean Air Jordan 13s, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, bruh. You guys already seen the thumbnail and the title. You know what we talking about. You heard in the intro, and we ain't gonna do too much talking because I'm telling y'all, man, when y'all see these things on feet, it might turn an eye or two, and you might, you know what I'm saying, put these on the front runner for you to grab these joints in this month of November. I say that just because it is a lot dropping. You guys see behind me, we have the Air Jordan 5 on my ears, and it's also a white pair that will be dropping the same day, the 22nd of November, and they both retail for $225. So stay tuned. We got a lot of reviews and feeds to push out to you guys, so stick around and hit that notification bell. And if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel, bruh. Try to hit that 85K before the end of the year. I think we can do it, bruh. With you guys' support, I know we can continue to reach crazy milestones on the channel, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. You guys go ahead and tap in with me over on IG, Twitter, all that good stuff so you don't miss a beat on what's going on in the sneaker community. And please follow this video up with a huge like before we jump into it. Them likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, man. All right, so first things first, I want to hit you guys with a little 360 of the box. This is not your traditional Air Jordan 13 box. You guys can see it's kind of like a off-white grayish box with that wheat Jumpman in the middle, and then for the official colorway size tag it reads Air Jordan 13 Retro white and wheat. And I got a size 9 these things, and I kind of wish I would have got size 9.5 just based on when I threw these joints on feet. So if you want to take my recommendation, this is what I recommend you guys, is go have a size, because I don't know what it's been lately, bruh, but these, you know what I'm saying, sizes have been definitely different this last year as far as the production of these Jordan releases. Inside the box, you get nothing crazy, just some white tissue paper, and these do not come with any extra laces. And if you want to go crazy with it, bro, if you find some weak laces, I think it might look slick in it, but the laces that came with it, I think it look a-okay. And bam, man, there you have them, bro. The Air Jordan 13 wheats. You guys can see them things laced up crispy. This is actually how I rock all my Air Jordan 13s, loose lace style, with the laces hanging off the sides of the sneaker. So you guys want to take a little quick screenshot of that, or you can wait to the on feet porch so you guys can see how this actually looks with a nice pair of crispy jeans, nice crispy pair of cargos. And I'm telling y'all, bro, this is my go-to style right here, man. So to touch up on a couple details of the sneaker, first things first, man, that predominantly white upper is all leather. As you guys can see, it's not as tumbled as I thought it would be as far as the toe box area and all that good stuff, but that tumbleness does come where you got the whiskers on the side and on the inner of the sneaker. You guys just even see the details of the plushness without me even touching the sneaker, man. That's how plush it actually is, and it complements nicely off that wheat midsole that we got with these Air Jordan 13s. On the tongue, it actually looks like we have a gold Jumpman. I'm pretty sure they stayed consistent with the theme of the sneaker being wheat. But when you see them in hand, it definitely does look like, you know what I'm saying, a gold Jumpman on the tongue. And that tongue is also pretty tumbled as well. If you guys don't know, you do have a hologram Jumpman on the side right there. This does tend to fog over time. So that's why I tell everybody, man, rock your sneakers, especially given the fact that these shoes do tend to, you know what I'm saying, break down, crumble after about 15 years. Go ahead and check out the wheat hits that we do get on the outer panel or sneaker, and then leading up to the heel of these joints right here, pretty consistent as far as the quality. I don't see anything crazy as far as quality control issues. That's been a huge topic of discussion in 2023. Starting off with the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined white cements. And of course, you do have your Jordan tab on the bottom of the lacing system. You do get a nice insole on these things right here, pretty furry. And I've always been telling people, man, 13s have been probably one of the most comfortable sneakers I ever hooped in. On the outsoles of the sneakers, you also do get another hologram Jumpman at the bottom. And then right here, of course, you guys can see that nice carbon fiber plate at the bottom, matching the wheat theme. Yo, all in all, man, definitely a dope sneaker. Something I really didn't know that was dropping this year. But as soon as I was hip on this release, man, I was all over it. I don't know what it is about 13s, man, but a certain colorways, I'm always tend to buy and add them joints to the collection. So right here, you guys can see we do have the DMP Air Jordan 13s, and these joints look super similar to the wheat joints that we do have over here on the left. I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't tell the difference if I was rocking these things on feet, but of course, you got that metallic gold all around these joints. And on the wheats, you do have the overall suede, nubuckish, wheat colorway around these 13s over here. I know I was just mentioning something about a lace swap, but if you do have the Air Jordan 13 DMPs, you could definitely take out the laces of these and then put it in the wheat pair, kind of give you that nice, you know what I'm saying, gold accent on the wheat joints. And that's just an option for you guys if you want to pursue that. So let me know right now down below in the comment section if you guys will be securing a pair of Air Jordan 13 wheats November the 21st, retailing for $210. I know that retail tag gonna push a lot of people away of this release, but nonetheless, if you will be securing them, man, let everybody know down below in the comment section to see how y'all feeling about this upcoming release. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Stay tuned for all future content by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you are notified every single time we drop a crazy banger, man. Please give a huge like before you slide out today's video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump into this clean on feet over the Air Jordan 13 wheats, man.